Okay, so we're going to talk about the Breathie thingy. So first of all, this is actually my unit, so it's used as little dings, scratches, and things of that nature. It's not a brand new unit, but we're showing you what the unit is, how the pieces work. You got your helmet, you got your belt. This is the chin strap, the battery, the blower unit, the hose that connects the helmet with the blower unit, the charger, and the filter. These are the things that you're going to find in the box, along with the user manual. This is the helmet. The helmet, again, this is my helmet, so this is used. This is what it's going to look like when it's dinged up and beat up. But the helmet has this, the connection in the back, and the visor, which is replaceable. This is my old visor. That's the new visor. Just, you know, every now and then you change them out. We sell these. They're good. They're impact resistant. So that's your helmet. So the helmet connects. Push it in, nice and snug. Then you turn it to lock it. Once it's locked, it won't pull out unless you turn it and pull it out again. So it's a real solid connection with the hose, which is good because sometimes I like to dangle the helmet from the hose. Probably shouldn't do it, but I do it. Then there's also this thing that clips on the inside, and this is a chin strap. My advice to everybody is take the chin strap off. I don't know, leave a comment if you have one and you find the chin strap useful, but the two things I don't find useful are the chin strap and the hose cover. I just don't use them. As soon as I get a new unit, I take those off. So the hose, this is the hose. The hose comes with a cover. It comes covered. I take the cover off. This is a dust cover. I don't know what purpose it really serves. I don't personally use it. So I take it off, but you can keep the hose cover on if that's what you want. Both of these sides are identical. These go into the hole and turn to lock. So you could dangle it. It's good. Same connection on the helmet. It's the exact same thing. Go in, turn, it locks. It's not going anywhere. All right. Okay, let's talk about our battery. Lithium-ion battery, rechargeable on and off the unit, which is pretty cool. If you have an extra battery and you're using your unit and you want to charge the other one, you could have this charging. When it's not on the unit, there's a little light that tells you green when it's charged, red when it's charging. Very simple. The battery can also be charged on the unit by plugging it into the port on the side of the Breathie thingy. So it's chargeable. Battery's kind of dope. We sell replacement batteries, www.fishbladderwoodworking.com. All right, let's talk about the filter. Our filter is a pleated filter. You open up your unit, the filter sits in there, you turn it, there's a seal, in, turn, you hear it click, that's how you know it's in. And as a cheat, these are pre-filters in here. There's a stainless steel mesh filter and there's also a carbon filter in this part. So I generally, when have the unit on, I'll turn it off and I'll blow from the inside to clear out all of this. And then I'll take this out and I'll blow it from the inside to push all of the debris out, clean up everything. I usually turn on the unit, blow through the unit to get any dust that's out from the hose, put it back on, close, you're back in order. There's an LCD. Here, you'll see there's a small circular icon. When that's flashing and it beeps, that means that your filter's clogged and you need to free it up. The number is the CFM. We have different speeds. We can go through the function. So that's what you need to know for the filter. That's the filter icon. When that's flashing and you hear a beep, you know your filter's clogged and you need to clear out your filter. We sell replacement filters, www.fishbladderwoodworking.com. This is the belt. Total transparency, probably my least favorite part of the whole unit. it's only because this heavy duty buckle, which I guess if I had a cheap little flimsy unit, I would probably appreciate how strong this is, but it's just heavy and it just seems clunky. And, I feel like I would almost prefer to have a little plastic clip that, you normally see on book bags and things. But this thing is heavy duty. This thing is, in my opinion, too heavy duty. And you put the unit, just slides over in through here. I guess you could put it on a belt if you didn't want to use this thing, but this is how we clip it on and off. So once that's on, it's on. So that's the unit. And you put this on. I usually put it on my lower back, and that usually serves the purpose. Okay, let's talk about the charger. This is the charger. 2 pieces, one plugs into the wall. You have this unit. There's a little light, a little indicator letting you know. Green is when the battery is done or it's nothing, there's no load on it. Once you plug it in, you see that light turn red. When that light turns green, it's charged. You're ready to go. You can charge the battery on or off the unit, which means if you have an extra battery, we sell the extra batteries, www.fishbladderwoodworking.com. We have the extra battery plugged in while you're using your primary battery, and this is your backup. Truth is, I've never needed to swap out a battery during the day's work. I charge it every night. I keep it on the charger. All right, so the chin strap. When you get this unit, it's going to come with a chin strap. Me personally, I don't use the chin strap. I used to struggle with it. I used to fiddle with it. I used to try to situate it. But the truth is, I took it off and I'm so much happier now. This is actually, it tightens and loosens on the back of your head. I have a hook. So I have a little shelf for this thing to hook onto. And when I tighten it down, it's on. So I don't need the chin strap. Hit me in the comments. Let me know if you have one and you find the chin strap necessary. And maybe I can tell people about another person's experience. I don't use a chin strap. Everything. And just so you guys know, we have replacement filters. We sell replacement visors. We have replacement batteries. Anything that you need. If something were to happen to a hose, we can get you the hose. We stand behind this product. We have replacement parts for all of it. All right, let's talk about positive pressure. Positive pressure in the PAPR just literally means that there's a positive pressure inside this helmet on that mask, which means air is being forced out of the mask, which means that dusty air would have to fight the air coming out to get in. And so if you're somebody like me that has a beard and struggle with dust masks, you'll appreciate a positive pressure. I don't know if you can hear me good, but you can see how fog it up when you turn it on. You can see how as soon as it turns on, it's going to clear out all of the fog. So when it's running, you don't get foggy situations at all. And also, air is being forced over the top of the helmet on the inside and pushes out through the side, which means I don't even cinch this. I don't cinch this. I leave it open. Air is actually being forced out. And this is on the lowest speed. If I would have set it to the highest speed, it's really blowing, and there'd be no way for dust to get in. So if you have a beard, this is the perfect situation. This is, no positive seal is necessary. Positive pressure. When do I wear it? All right, I'm a woodworker. I'm really a woodworker, and any really dusty situation, I put it on. Even if I'm working the table saw, I don't have an overhead dust collection for the table saw, so there's always a dusty situation on the table saw. If I'm cutting any funky, exotic hardwoods, anything resinous, anything that might be problematic and a possible irritant, the older I get, the more I'm affected by the dust. I literally wear it whenever it's going to be a dusty situation. I find myself putting it on, turning it on, and I'm in Belize, and when the cool air runs over my face, it's almost like a little air conditioning unit on my head. So sometimes I wear it even when I'm not cutting. I just keep the thing on and blowing. I got my headphones on and I just enjoy it. So it's something that I really stand behind. This thing is the truth. We stand behind this product. When you order this product from us, whether you buy it from our website, whether you buy it from Amazon, we're on both platforms. We'll take the unit back. We'll repair the unit. We'll replace the unit if it's not fixable. You get a 1-year warranty with these things. We really stand behind it. Any replacement parts, you're not left out on your own. We're going to stand behind this unit the whole way through. We're going to sell replacement visors, filters, batteries. We stand behind the unit. This is a very serious thing. For us, fishbladderwoodworking.com. We stand behind this product. Okay, so general introduction. I'm Jammer, CEO, fishbladderwoodworking.com. I guess we'll explain what fish bladder woodworking is. I'm a woodworker. I'm in Belize. I have a beard. I've struggled with the little funny masks for years. I've gone crazy in my shop trying to get the best dust collection, 6-inch diameter hose and fine baffles and cyclones. And it's just at the end of the day, if I'm sanding with a belt sander, or if I'm in any kind of serious sanding project, always means that I need to rely on these flimsy little dust masks, and it's always been a problem. Then I found out what PAPRs are, and I said I had to get one, and I looked on the market, and they start at $1,200. I couldn't understand why. I did my little research, a little sourcing, found out that there's a niche that seems like it needs to be filled. So I'm trying to fill it. So this is Fish Bladder Woodworking. This is our offering. This is our Breathie thingy. This is just a nice little PAPR system, well built, reliable, something that I really, really stand behind. I wear it. We have footage. You can check it out. I wear this thing all the time when I'm sanding. People catch me wearing it even when I'm not doing work. I'm just got my headphones on and I'm just listening to music as I have this cool breeze in front of my face. I really love it. I'm not a salesperson. I'm selling this, but I'm not a salesperson. I'm telling you that this thing is an answer to a lot of very real questions. Like it's a solution to a very real problem.